It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I am participating in a freestyle wreath or tablescape collaboration with the Fab 5 girls of YouTube, and I will give you more information about that as we go along. So in this first DIY, I am going to be creating a fall wreath using this 14-inch wreath form from the Dollar Tree, as well as several spools of rope from the Dollar Tree. I think I actually used about 7, maybe 7.5. So basically you're going to need 1 per section. So guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers to the channel. I pray that you all have had a blessed weekend and that you are ready for this week. And guys, while you watch me wrap this wreath form with rope, I just want to let you know a little bit about what this collaboration consists of. So all we have to do is basically either create a wreath or do a tablescape. It's freestyle, meaning that you come up with whatever you want to design or create or display, and you just bring it back to you guys and just give you some inspiration. So the Fab 5 beauties, or the Fab 5 girls of YouTube, consist of BOK Media Life, Ivy Dolled, At Home with Kay, The Creole Crafter, and yours too, truly, Joyful Designs. So guys, what you see me doing now is taking this blessed fall sign that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure they will have these out again this year, or some variation of it. This is one that I purchased last year, and basically I just put it in the back of my wreath form to close up that big hole or the circle that was left. And then now to clean up or make sure that everything is sealed where you're not seeing any openings, I am just going to take a single roll of this jute twine or jute rope and just go on the inside and just make sure that everything is nicely covered, and just making sure that I tie everything off in the back. And so far this is looking really cute. And now I am creating a jute twine bow using the jute twine from Walmart. This is a thinner piece of twine, and I think this big old spool cost me like $3.96. So guys, I will give you more information about the Fab 5 beauties, or the Fab 5 girls of YouTube, at the end of this video. So now we're moving on to DIY number 2. Now I am creating a spring wreath using this beaded wreath form that you can find at the Dollar Tree. All I'm doing is creating a bow using some of that wire pastel-y type color spring florals ribbon that you can find at Michael's. I think this was a Michael's piece, and it was so flimsy. It was by Celebrate. I don't think I'll be buying this again. It was really thin, and it was pretty, but it was really thin and flimsy, and I really didn't like the way it felt, and it did my bow no justice. But anyway, I just kept pushing through, and you will see that I added a little bit of an element to it in the reveal. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. And guys, I again am praying that you all have had a blessed weekend and that you are all prepared for this week. So now we're going to move right along to DIY number 3. And what we're going to do is just create a wreath swag or swag wreath. And basically what I did was took those brass wreath rings. It's like a 3-piece set of wreaths that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. And I am joining them all at the bottom half of the rings by adding some of that jute twine that you can purchase at Walmart. And if you remember in the haul, I had pulled these, or actually purchased these from Roses. This has been about 2 weeks ago. I will link that video in the description section of this video, as well as the playlist for this freestyle collaboration. And all I did, guys, was just basically glue down the stems to the back half of this piece, and I zigzag or made a cross pattern just to secure this piece. And now I'm adding a jute twine bow to it, and I think this turned out very cute. And because I didn't have any of my little florals and things that I wanted to embellish this with, I just went on and used a button for these projects where the bows were. And guys, here is the reveal. I think this is so pretty. I like it. You got to tell me what you think. Again, these are inspirational pieces, and this is just to get you in the mood, in the mindset for creating wreaths. I am not a wreath creator at all. I don't like really putting them together. But hey, I wanted to challenge myself as well as the Fab 5 beauties with creating wreaths and, you know, doing something that we don't normally do a lot of on our channels. And I think all 3 of these turned out amazing. I really would like for you to leave me a comment about what you think about these pieces. And guys, don't leave just yet. Let me tell you a little bit about beauty number 1. This is Kay with At Home with Kay. She is such a sweet person, and I really enjoyed doing my collaboration with her. She is such a talented person, and not only do I call her Sweet Kay because she's just sweet, but because she makes the most realistic sweets using clay. And I'm not just going to limit her to that. She is an amazing crafter. She creates all kind of decor. Make sure you check her out. And now we're going to move right along to Fab 5 Beauty number 2. This is my girl. I mean, I can honestly say she is almost like my, crafting bestie here on YouTube. I just love myself some Felicia. She is an amazing crafter, an amazing cook. I mean, if you have not checked out her channel, please make sure you head on over to @BOK Media Life. If you are looking for diversity in crafts, in food choices, in hauls, she does it all. Check her out. And this diva right here is Fab 5 number 3. This is Miss Donna. And Donna is such a sweet person. And I mean, if you want to know how to distress some items, check Donna out. Let me tell you, and she is the farmhouse queen. And we're going to move along to Miss Melinda with I Be Dolled. Oh yeah, let me tell you, Miss Melinda was one of the first, and I'm going to always give her props, was one of the first crafters to come and start following me on my channel. Melinda is the Dollar General queen. She knows how to find a deal. She knows how to cook. She knows how to style your home. She knows how to create beautiful DIYs, all on a budget. So if you're not following I Be Dolled, you should head on over there now. And guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting on? Until the next DIY. Bye guys.